All right, we got meatball lasagna. So it has 2 layers of zucchini and yellow squash sliced, along with 24 meatballs. So what I did was I layered the first layer down of the zucchini and yellow squash. Then I put the ricotta cheese on top, which is a cup. Spread that out on top of the first layer of zucchini and yellow squash mix. Then layer the 24 turkey meatballs with 20 ounces of sliced Italian tomatoes, canned. Mix that together. Later on, put that on top of the ricotta cheese, and then on top of the ricotta cheese, before you do the turkey meatballs and tomato mix, you put 1 teaspoon of garlic salt and 1 teaspoon of dry basil. Then you put the meatballs and tomato mixture on top. Then you layer the second layer of zucchini and squash on top of that. And then you put 1 cup of mozzarella and 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Bake it in the oven that is preheated to 350 degrees. Take it out after 25 minutes, let it sit for a little bit, and then enjoy.